Hey, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to have a look at a nice easy bit of an 80s classic. It's the wonderful Mad World by Tears for Fears, and of course done beautifully by Gary Jules, a big hit for Gary Jules as well, good cover version there from the film Donnie Darko. Okay, so for this one, it's very straightforward, and every time, like I say with my videos, you might want to skip the video forward. If you already know the chords for this one, you might want to just go forward in the video to where we're actually practicing the song. But for this one, we're just going to need four very easy chords. We've got E minor, G, D and A. Okay, what I'm going to do as well, basically we're going to play this song without a capo, but if you want to play in the exact key of Tears for Fears, it would be this chord sequence that we're going to learn with a capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, Tears for Fears would be with a capo on the 2nd fret to fit in with their key, the original key. And if you were playing along with Gary Jules, it's actually a capo on the 1st fret. Okay, so that'd be exactly what we're going to learn, but Tears for Fears, 2nd fret capo, Gary Jules, 1st fret capo. Okay, so basically E minor, if you are just starting out and you need to brush up on your chords, like I said, we're going to do E minor, G, D and A. If you already know them, maybe skip the video forward and just try practicing the song. But for those of us starting out, let's just try E minor first of all. Okay, for this one we just want to hold down the 5th string in the 2nd fret and also the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and for E minor we're strumming all the strings. Okay, there's your E minor. Okay, next up we've got a G, G major. Okay, for this one we've got first finger goes on the 5th string in the 2nd fret, next finger goes on the 6th string in the 3rd fret, and the next finger goes, it's in the 3rd fret again, but it's on the 1st string right at the bottom. So it's a bit of a stretch, that one, but shouldn't give you too many problems. G major. Okay, and G major is also all the strings we're hitting. Okay, next up we've got D. Okay, for this one, we want to hold down the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. Next, we've got the 1st string in the 2nd fret, and then in the 3rd, we've got the 2nd string in the 3rd fret as well. Okay, there is your D major. And for D major, we're trying to avoid hitting the E and the A strings up at the top. It's just the 4 lower ones. Okay, there's your D. Okay, and last of all, we've just got an A major. For this one, we want our first finger to hold down the 4th string in the 2nd fret. Next finger goes right underneath that on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. Next finger goes underneath that on the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. Okay, and for A major, we're trying to avoid hitting the E string right up at the top. It's just the 5 lower ones. Okay, so let's just go straight on now. Okay, this one comes in 2 sections, both very simple, but if we just start off looking at the first part of the song, which just uses E minor, G, D and then A. Okay, so all we've got is E minor, 2, 3, change D, 2, 3, then a D, and then an A, 2, 3, 4 and A. E minor, change to G, change to D, change to A, and this is the bit of the song. Excuse the singing. A major back to E minor, la la la, and a G, and then a D, 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 and A back to E minor, la 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 la, G, da da, la la, and so on. Okay, so that is your verse section, I guess. There's your verse section of the song. And then it gets even easier. When you get to the bridge, it's just E minor to A major. It just toggles between those 2, E minor, and then A. And that's E, da da da, change to A, and then back to E, da 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 da, A, and then da 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 da, and then the chorus, same chords. A mad world, back to E, a mad world, and then E, a mad world, back to E minor, da do do, and then the verse again, E la 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 la, and a G. bridge. And a la 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 A, da da back to E, do 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 A, and then back to the E, do 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 A, and then back to the E, la 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 A, and then the chorus, same chords. A mad world, and back to E, mad world, and back to E, a mad world, and back to E, mad world. Okay, and just really quickly, if we just look at a slightly more interesting strumming pattern, that's a very basic one. You might want to try practicing that, and then as you get more confident with it, something like that is probably a little bit better. You could try something down, 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 up, G, G, down, up, down, 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 up, A, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 to the bridge and down. So on, and then the chorus, cause it's a mad world, down, up, down, up, down, mad world, down, up, down, up, a mad world. Okay, such a simple song and a bit of a classic as well. Give it a practice, it'll sound great. Yeah, try singing it, it'll sound great. And also, like I did say, if you're playing along with the Tears for Fears, you would need a capo on the 2nd fret. If you're playing along with Gary Jules, you need a capo on the 1st fret. But just practice it either way. Simple beginner chords, shouldn't give you any problems. All the best, and I'll see you soon for more easy, great guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.